So here's what just happened. Microsoft came out with something called Copilot Tasks. And look, we have all used AI chatbots before. Copilot Tasks is different. This thing does not just give you answers. It goes out and does the thing. Like, it will schedule your meetings. It will write your documents. It will organize your entire week, all from one simple instruction. You give it in plain English. You type in something like plan my week and set up all my meetings, and it actually goes and does it. Now, let me break down exactly how this works because it is kind of wild. Step 1, you give it a goal. Just tell it what you want in normal words, nothing fancy. Step 2, Copilot breaks that goal into smaller steps, like a little plan it builds for itself. Step 3, and this is the crazy part, it uses its own computer in the cloud, its own browser, its own setup. It goes off and does the work on its own machine. Step 4, if it is about to do something big, like send an email or make a change, it asks you first. So you are still in control. That is the whole flow. Goal, plan, execute, check in, report, done. All right, so let me give you some real examples of what people are already doing with Copilot Tasks. First one, email management. You know how your inbox is a disaster? Copilot Tasks can go through it, unsubscribe from junk, draft replies, and sort everything. Second, scheduling. It can book meetings, set up appointments, even look at flights for you. Third, content creation. You can tell it to turn an email chain into a full presentation or create a report from scratch. It pulls the info, builds the slides, formats everything. Fourth, monitoring. You can set it to watch for things or new job listings or changes on a website, and it will come back and tell you when something happens. Fifth, study plans and agendas. Students and professionals can use it to build out full weekly plans with zero effort. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. Let me talk about how this stacks up against OpenClaw, because that is the big question, right? Microsoft is not being shy about it either. Their CEO said Copilot Tasks talks less and does more. That is a direct shot at every other AI assistant out there. So what makes Copilot Tasks different from OpenClaw? Number one, Microsoft integration. Copilot Tasks plugs straight into Outlook, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Calendar, and the browser. That is huge. If you are already using Microsoft tools, this thing just slides right in. Number two, the consent system. Copilot Tasks asks you before it does anything major to approve the big moves. That gives you safety and control. Number three, cloud execution. It runs everything on its own cloud computer. So your device is free, your battery is fine, your laptop is not melting. It is all happening somewhere else. All right, back to the breakdown. Let me talk about what is not perfect yet, because I always keep it real with you. First, Copilot Tasks is in a limited research preview right now. That means not everyone can use it yet. Second, some actions still need your approval before they go through, which is actually a good thing for safety, but it does mean it is not fully hands-off yet. But here is the thing, even with those limits, this is a massive step forward. We are moving from AI that answers questions to AI that completes tasks. That is a totally different level. Now we have AI that schedules our whole week, builds presentations, manages our inbox, and monitors the internet for us. The speed of this is insane, and this is not just for tech people, this is for everyone. And if you run a business, this can handle your admin. If you are a student, this can organize your study schedule. If you are a freelancer, this can draft proposals and manage your calendar. The use cases are endless. Let me also point out something important. Microsoft is playing the long game here. They are not just building a chatbot, they are building an AI workforce. Copilot Tasks is one piece of a much bigger picture. They want AI that is woven into every part of how you work. And with their reach, with Windows, with Office, with Teams, with Outlook, they have the infrastructure to actually pull it off. Now, I know some of you are thinking, is this safe? And that is a fair question. The consent system is key here. It checks in with you before making big moves. It shows you the plan before it executes, and it gives you a full report after, so you always know what happened. That is smart design, because trust is everything with AI tools. If people do not trust it, they will not use it. Let me also give you a pro tip. When this opens up to more people, and it will, the ones who learn it first will have the biggest advantage. That is how it always works with new tech. The early adopters win. So get on that wait list now. So to wrap this up, Copilot Tasks is Microsoft's answer to OpenClaw.